Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are safe and healthy. Last video was a bit of cargo unpacking and some rearrangements. I do have lots of crockeries which I did want to keep it well organized in a shelf. I had a crockery shelf made from a coat which you might have seen in one of the vlogs from Riyadh that was not fit for transportation to Kerala, hence we gave it to one of our very close family friends in Riyadh. And here in our new home, we wanted a better shelf which would be strong enough and quite spacious to fit in maybe not all but most of the crockeries. And we wanted to match the color and design to the kitchen door as the shelf is placed next to it. So we hired skilled workers for the job to be done. The carpenters for the shelf was suggested by our interior designer who also had suggested all the carpentry works for this house. Even the painters were also suggested by him. We wanted a budget-friendly yet quite strong enough to hold the crockeries. The shelf was already done a week back and we were waiting for the painters to be free. The paint work was complete in a day and they did it really beautifully. The design was matching to the door and other areas. I started arranging the shelf only a day later. These are items I already had in my storage room. I wanted to free those spaces there as I anyway had a small storage room. My mind keeps changing until I'm satisfied with the final look. Now this crockery set was bought from Nice Store Riyadh and I have shown this in a vlog earlier. This is a big branch cut from moringa tree or the drumstick tree, which is very nutritious to our body. It's a young tree that needs to be cut every now and then to get new branches growing. Only then the tree will give the vegetable drumsticks. The leaves are used for cooking and it's very healthy. Do not throw this flower, another very healthy item. To be honest, I haven't bought much vegetables from the market ever since I came here. We already have enough leafy and other vegetables growing in our garden. All that I bought would be some onion, tomatoes, ginger, garlic and such. I badly want to plant tomatoes so that I don't have to buy even that too from the market, which are full of chemicals. Back to cargo unpacking. I wondered where was the pillow covers missing and now I got them. I had put them in these bottles to save space. That's the gown stitched by me from a sari for an Eid. It's very annoying when we have to take out something from a place that's well organized. My newly built crockery shelf had less racks, and each rack was placed with too much gap from the other. Hence, I had to place a shelf organizer or spice rack, whatever, inside the cabinet to add more space. So many of you had been requesting for putting cooking vlogs, as you all were missing that in my videos. As I had mentioned earlier that I do have a sister coming home to help me in cooking and cleaning. So I'm just engaged with other works at home. Since she had taken leave one day, I thought I'll prepare something and film that. I planned to make chicken biryani, but it turned to be a simple chicken curry because of lack of ingredients. My parents-in-laws, my younger brother-in-law, and another brother-in-law's son were at home. So this dish is for all of us for lunch, except for my father-in-law who doesn't eat chicken. I'm preparing another simple curry for father, but dry roasting coconut for both together. This is one whole coconut, few shallots, garlic pods, and curry leaves. Here the chicken needs more time to cook, hence using a pressure cooker. Simultaneously, I'm keeping a small pot for the curry for my father-in-law. I had sliced 3 large onions and to the pot adding almost 3/4 of 1 onion. The rest added to the heated coconut oil in pressure cooker. Saute till the onion is soft. To the softened onion, add the chicken pieces and mix. Let the chicken pieces turn white in color. To the pot, add few crushed ginger, garlic and green chilies. Saute till the raw smell leaves. Chop 2 small tomatoes into the pot. Add some salt. Adding some warm water to the pot so that it doesn't catch at the bottom. Cover and let the tomatoes cook well. Make sure the flame is low. Into the chicken, add the remaining crushed ginger, garlic and green chilies. Mix well for a minute. Let the raw smell leave before going for the next step. Meanwhile, blend the roasted coconut to a fine paste, adding some water. Into the chicken, add turmeric powder around half teaspoon, 1 or 2 teaspoon red chili powder, 2 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder. Mix everything well. The tomatoes here have gone really soft. Add quarter cup of water and mix so that it doesn't catch at the bottom. To this add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, around 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder, a pinch or quarter teaspoon garam masala powder. Mix everything really well. Cover and keep on low flame for 2 minutes. Into the chicken, chop 3 large tomatoes. Give a mix. If the chicken you use needs less time to cook, do not pressure cook. Just keep as such, cook for 10 minutes and it'll be done. Here we get chicken that needs more time to cook, hence I'm using a pressure cooker. Cover and keep on medium flame for 1 whistle. Into the pot, adding little of the coconut paste, around quarter to half cup. Mix well and keep adding warm water until you get the right consistency of a curry. I added almost 1 cup. Cover, let it boil for a minute and it's done. After the pressure is completely released, open the lid. The chicken is cooked. Time to add the coconut paste. Add more warm water if needed. Add salt. Now you may temper the curry if you want extra taste. Fry shallots, curry leaves and dried red chilies in hot coconut oil and pour over the curry. I left it untempered. And that ends for today's video. Hope you all enjoyed. If so, do give a thumbs up so that I know you loved it. Stay safe everyone. See you with another video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.